Welcome to 88tuition. Today's video will guide you through how to use the website. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, click on the Learn button. Select a subject, let's try math, and here you can see all of the topics that you will need for this year. Not that good at algebra and want to revise it? Go ahead and click on that. Or if you want to get ahead of your class and go forward, scroll down and let's try some volume. You will see that every lesson follows a three-step process. The first is a learning video where the teacher explains the topic. The next is the CAA, which is a quiz based on what you've just learned. Next, you have a review video where the teacher explains the quiz so you can make sure you completely understand. Now, do you need extra practice or want to prepare for that test you have coming up? Go straight to the practice section and challenge yourself. First, select your subject. Then select your topic, let's say algebra. Select your skill level. If you're feeling confident, let's try expert. Pick your number of questions and press continue. Finish the worksheet and you will get your score immediately. We hope you are now feeling confident after going through all of your lessons and all of the extra practice worksheets. Now, simply click on the mock paper on the top right-hand corner of your screen. You will find all of the mock papers that you are eligible for, and these should be taken as if they are an actual final exam. So there should be no interruptions and no breaks. Now that we know about learn and practice, let's go through a few more key features. In the center of your screen, you will find your report card. In the report card, you will find the different lessons attempted, which assessments were done, and even how many minutes a student spent on the video lessons. You can access all of this by clicking on the View Details button. On the right-hand panel, you will find your referral code. If you share your referral code with your friends, they receive $25 off when they subscribe. You also get 1 credit. If 5 friends subscribe for a full package, then you get an iPad from us. Below that, you will find the Buy Now or Add Subjects button. It is a dynamic button, and this is where you can subscribe for your classes. Lastly, you will see the important links menu. To access the teacher's phone numbers, look in the Welcome Guide. To attend live lessons, click on the Live Classes button. You also get one free upgrade level, which you can use at any time during your subscription. Click here to make use of that. I hope you now have a better idea of how to use 88 Tuition. We recommend doing at least one lesson per subject per week. Please do reach out to us via WhatsApp or email for any further assistance. Thank you and happy learning.